How to trade options on Bybit. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to trade options using Bybit. So let's get into it. First of all, you guys can go to bybit.com and you will land right here. Bybit is world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade crypto. On Bybit, we will be able to find the buy crypto option. We have markets, trade. We also have derivatives, earn option. Then we have finance, NFT, and more. So today we will focus on trading options, and I will show you how to trade options with Bybit. So today I'll show you how to trade options with Bybit. So let's get into it. First of all, once you get to bybit.com, you require an account. So you can sign up with your Google account, your email address, or your phone number. I have already signed up and logged into my account, and this is what it looks like. You can see we have buy crypto, where we have one click buy, P2P trading, fight deposit, crypto deposit, marketplace, trade. In trading, we have spot trading, margin trading, and others. Then we have derivatives, and in derivatives, you will be able to find the options. So for options, we have USDC options available. Options contract using USDC as the collateral. And then we have Bitcoin options, Ethereum, and Solana. So we will be checking out these. Let's actually get started and select the BTC options. So here we have the Bybit options. With options, we get three. We have BTC, Ethereum, and Solana. So you will select the one you want to go for. I will be selecting BTC here. Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling crypto, and trading with options involve a high degree of risk, or whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you understand everything and you have the right information. You know how to trade with options, and then you can get started. This is a beginner's tutorial about bybit.com and what are the steps we do on bybit.com. That being said, let's continue. You can see we have selected our options. Then we have to check right here. So we have our margin balance, available balance, and you will select the initial margin here. In initial margin, and then we have our maintenance margin. These are important steps, and the first step that you do, and you will select it from here. Moving on, what you will do is you will check right here. You will set your contract. So I'm going to actually scroll down a little bit. Here you will create your contract. In your contract, you can select the expiration date. You will check your options from here, and you can see this is where we set up everything. We have 24-hour volume, open, delta, bid size, bid, mark price, ask size, position, and strike. So this is going to be the contract. Of course, if you understand the options, then you will be able to actually use it really easily. Here we also have ATM options. So we have selected all. You will get the information, and once you're done, you're gonna actually bring this out, which is the order placement. You will select the contract. Let's actually go with this one. Once you have selected, here you will place your order. So let me actually show you. This is an important step. We have selected our contract from here. It's showing me the parameters according to that. We have underlying prices, implied volatility, delta, gamma, vega, and theta right here. We have our prices given, 24-hour high and 24-hour low. Recent trades. You can also check them out from here. Then we have buy and sell. So you can see we have buy and sell options. I'm going to select buy first. Then you will select limit for or IV or market. Then you're going to enter the price here, IV, quantity, and you will click on buy. Right here you can see, if I scroll down a little bit, view guidance and start trading. Then we get our P&L probability for this one. Let's go back up. If I want to sell, I will switch to the sell option right here. In sell, we have limit, IV, and market. You will enter the price in USD, whatever price you want to go for. Then we have IV, quantity. Scroll down a little bit and you will get your margin required. Then you have P&L probability here. So this is how we buy and sell with the Bybit option. Again, we can switch to Ethereum here. It will show me the contracts for Ethereum. You will select from here, and then you will enter all the details, and then you will place the order. Similarly, we can go with the Solana options right here. Keep in mind it involves a high degree of risk, so you should get all the information. You can see this is for the positions, and if you wanna check your history, like you have already done some orders, then you can click on order history right here. We have trade history and active order as well. Before this, if you want to buy some crypto, like a simple crypto, then what you can do is you can go to the buy crypto option here, and we have one click buy, P2P trading, we have 5 deposits, and we have crypto deposit option. So you can see once the order placement is done, then you will be able to actually see your active orders here, and you can check out these options anytime by just selecting your contract from here. So all of the contracts are given, and you can actually select the ATM options from here, like if you want to go with one, two, or all, and it will show you the dates as well. Expiration date, this is for today, and then we have some for tomorrow. So you can select your expiration date here and select your options. We can also click on this switch option that will allow me to switch derivatives. We have USDC option. So if you want to go for perpetuals and if you want to go for futures, then you can switch the derivatives as well. We have selected USDC options, and we're getting all of these different tokens, coins. Click on this star right here and it will add it to your favorites. We are also getting 24-hour change here and 24-hour turnover. Once you have entered the amounts, you can also click on the overview option here, and then we have RM, and we have settings here. Click on settings where you have your preferences, and you will be able to trade with option. It's actually really easy with all of these platforms. You just require basic information about the options, then you will be able to trade on Bybit with all of these different tools. And we have like a very good contracts available with a very good strategy right here, and it will allow you to trade in options. You can go ahead and check out bybit.com, create your account, and you can go to the derivatives options right here, and then you're going to click on USDC options and select the option you want to go for. Select your contract, place your order, and you will be able to trade options. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.